Hi traders, hope you're having a great start to the week. I'm on the dollar CAD, got my monthly, weekly, daily support and resistance levels all drawn in. They're in the description below. I'll just discuss the ones closest to price action. Now the dollar CAD moved up last week, came up and tested the daily resistance level 136.39, a little bit short of monthly resistance. It's in an uptrend. Level to watch at the beginning of the week is 135.67. Daily support. Can we come down, hold at day support for a move back up to retest 136.39, and can we continue the advance and move above this area this week? We've got the US job figures on Friday that might maintain US dollar strength. So does 135.67 hold as support for a move higher this week? Alright traders, moving on to dollar franc, still holding an uptrend. It did retest 90.59 to 90.84 weekly monthly resistance area there. Can we move through that area and hold the uptrend? So it'd be great if it could pull back to 90.02, that's daily support, find support for then a retest of this area. Can we retest and move through that area this week? There's always a chance that this resistance area holds as resistance, so if we don't move through, we could move down from 90.59. So can the uptrend hold? As I say, it'd be great if it pulled back to 90.02, held as support for the next move up. Alright traders, moving on to dollar yen, holding a very strong uptrend at the moment. Moved above 139.38 to 139.89. That's weekly and daily resistance, that was. So can that area be support this week to continue the move up? So look for a dip. Can support hold to move up and challenge 141.53 this week. That's monthly resistance from back in time. So in a strong uptrend, yields are rising for the US. Can the uptrend continue to move up to challenge 141.53 monthly resistance? Alright, on to Euro Pound, which remains range bound. So will price hold at the 86.69 to 66 weekly day support area here. Watch this area for support this week for a move back up to the top of the range. Top of the range for me is where weekly resistance is, 87.18 to 22. And then does that area hold for then another move back down? Very range bound, so look for support at 86.69 down to 86.60. We're just sitting at 86.66 at the moment, so we're right in the middle of that area. So does that area hold as support? Look to a lower time frame. Can you see a reversal for a move back up the range? Alright, on to the New Zealand yen. Heavily reversed just short of 87.33 monthly resistance last week. Let's move back below this weekly top. Just holding on this weekly top. So it's stuck in a very nasty area. 84.91 is just offering support. But yesterday, 85.20 offered resistance. So if we break the low of yesterday, we could well be moving out of this area to move below the whole area of tops here from the weekly chart. So we could come up and retest 85.20, but does that hold as resistance? It tested it yesterday and held for a move below support to continue the decline from last week. Can we move them below daily support? So will 85.20 hold as resistance still from yesterday's trading for a continued move down? Okay traders, last pair to review for today. New Zealand dollar, heavy decline last week, moving below weekly support 60.84 and 61.10. Just in a little bit of a support area here at the moment. We may see a decline below 60.24 this week, but before we do that, price might rally back up to retest 60.84 to 61.11. Broken support becomes resistance for then a move down to test and challenge 60-24 day support, and can we move below that level this week? Okay traders, that's my analysis for today. If you want to keep up to date with my analysis, simply subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you next time. Now if you'd like to follow my Forex trading analysis throughout the week, why not subscribe to the ACY Securities live interactive trading feed Telegram channel. Simply contact Nathan Bray at acy.com to get access.
Are you looking to improve your trading? Join Duncan Cooper, Senior Market Strategist and Trading Mentor at ACY Securities, as he shares his knowledge on the global Forex markets. The upcoming webinars for this week, 30th of May. During this webinar, Duncan will review 12 currency pairs, determine the key support and resistance trading levels for the week ahead, discuss his favorite risk to reward trading opportunity, and answer your trading questions. 31st of May. What is the figure in Forex trading and how to trade around it? During this webinar, we will look at the importance of trading around the big figures and applying the figure indicator to your analysis. Duncan will combine trend lines with the figure and show you a simple trading strategy. 1st of June. Live Forex market review, identifying high probability trading levels. 7 p.m. Sydney time. Don't miss these live interactive webinars that will help you improve your trading.